Hey storytellers, Monir here. I'm a full-time YouTube thumbnail designer and video editor. Have you ever wondered what it would be look like to put your own face in a MrBeast style thumbnail? Well, there's a crazy AI tool called Pikzels AI that lets you do exactly that. It can recreate any YouTube thumbnail with your face in it. I haven't tried it before, but today, right now, we're gonna test it out. Let's dive in. Alright, we are now inside the Pikzels dashboard. To start the recreation, I'm heading over to the Recreate tab. Now I just need to paste the link of the YouTube video whose thumbnail I want to recreate. Let's go big. I'm choosing MrBeast's latest video. Alright, copied the link, then paste it. Next, it's time to create a persona. Basically, this tells AI what my face looks like for accurate replacement. So I'm uploading 10 different photos of me with various angles and expressions. Alright, my persona is ready now. I'm gonna select it and hit generate. Wow! Alright, it's done. Let's open this up. Look at this. It's absolutely mind-blowing, man. I've recreated it a couple of times more and landed on this masterpiece. This looks like a $1,000 thumbnail recreated in minutes with just few clicks. So if you are a creator, want high converting thumbnails or pro level video edits, I've got your back. Send me a message on WhatsApp or X and let's bring your ideas to life.